Creating a welcoming atmosphere in any living space is a fundamental goal of interior design. An interior designer carefully considers various elements such as color, furniture, layout, lighting, and decor to transform a space into one that feels inviting and comfortable. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will explore the role of an interior designer, the principles of creating a welcoming atmosphere, and various decor ideas for different living spaces. So watch the video until the end to see our selection and get inspiration. Modern interior design is characterized by its clean lines, minimalistic approach, and functionality. It emphasizes open spaces, natural light, and a blend of comfort and aesthetics. The layout of a home plays a crucial role in how the space is perceived and used. A well-thought-out layout not only enhances the beauty of a home but also improves its functionality. Modern interior design is about creating spaces that are not only beautiful but also functional. By considering layout, decor, and personal touches, you can transform your home into a modern sanctuary that reflects your style. This content serves as a solid foundation for your guide on interior design layouts for modern homes. The role of an interior designer. An interior designer is a professional who plans, researches, coordinates, and manages interior design projects. They focus on enhancing the functionality and aesthetics of a space while ensuring it reflects the client's personality and lifestyle. The process typically involves several stages. Consultation: the designer meets with the client to understand their needs, preferences, and budget. This initial meeting helps establish a vision for the project. Concept development: based on the consultation, the designer creates a concept that includes mood boards, color schemes, and layout options. This stage is crucial for visualizing how the space will look and feel. Space planning: effective space planning is essential for creating a welcoming atmosphere. The designer considers the flow of movement within the space, ensuring it is functional and accessible. Material selection: choosing the right materials is vital for both aesthetics and comfort. Designers select fabrics, finishes, and furnishings that align with the overall concept while also considering durability and maintenance. Lighting design: lighting plays a significant role in setting the mood of a space. An interior designer will strategically plan lighting to enhance ambience and functionality. Decor and accessories: the final touches involve selecting decor items such as artwork, rugs, plants, and other accessories that bring personality and warmth to the space. Implementation: once everything is planned and selected, the designer oversees the implementation of the design, coordinating with contractors and vendors to ensure everything is executed as envisioned. Final review: after installation, the designer conducts a final walkthrough with the client to ensure satisfaction and make any necessary adjustments. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Share us your thoughts in the comments section and also smash the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video of furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and stylish option preferences. Tell us what you want to explore further in this channel on our next video of the furniture design and decor ideas. For your specific needs to transform your space and create an interesting experience in your furniture pieces. Creating a welcoming atmosphere. A welcoming atmosphere is characterized by comfort, warmth, and an inviting aesthetic. Here are some key principles that interior designers follow to achieve this. Color psychology: colors evoke emotions and set the tone for a space. Warm colors like soft reds, yellows, and oranges create a cozy atmosphere, while cool colors like blues and greens can be calming. Designers often use a combination of colors to balance energy levels in a room. Comfortable furniture: selecting furniture that is both stylish and comfortable is crucial. Sofas and chairs should invite people to sit down and relax. Designers often choose plush fabrics and ergonomic designs to enhance comfort. Layered lighting: a well-lit space feels more inviting. Designers use a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create layers of light that enhance the mood of a room. Dimmers can also be installed to adjust brightness based on the time of day or occasion. Personal touches. Incorporating personal items such as family photos, travel souvenirs, or handmade decor adds character to a space. Designers encourage clients to include elements that reflect their personality and history. Natural elements. Bringing nature indoors through plants or natural materials like wood and stone can create a soothing environment. Designers often incorporate greenery to improve air quality and add vibrancy to a room. Functional layout. A well-planned layout promotes easy movement and interaction among occupants. Designers consider traffic patterns and furniture placement to create an inviting flow within the space. Textural variety. Mixing different textures adds depth and interest to a room. Soft textiles like cushions and throws can be combined with harder surfaces like wood or metal for contrast. Decluttering. A clutter-free space feels more open and welcoming. Designers often recommend storage solutions that keep items organized while maintaining an aesthetically pleasing environment. Decor ideas for different living spaces. 1. Living room. The living room is often the heart of the home, where families gather and entertain guests. Here are some decor ideas to create a welcoming atmosphere. Seating arrangement. Arrange seating in a way that encourages conversation, such as using a circular or U-shaped layout. Consider using a sectional sofa paired with cozy armchairs. Warm color palette. Use warm neutrals as a base color for walls and larger furniture pieces, then add pops of color through cushions, throws, and artwork. Layered lighting. Incorporate floor lamps, table lamps, and wall sconces to create layers of light. Use dimmers to adjust brightness for different moods. Area rugs. Define seating areas with area rugs that add warmth and texture. Choose rugs with patterns or colors that complement the overall decor. Personal artwork. Hang framed family photos or artwork created by local artists to add a personal touch to the walls. Greenery. Incorporate indoor plants like snake plants or pothos to bring life into the room. Use decorative pots that match your decor style. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. 2. Kitchen. The kitchen is not just for cooking, it's also a gathering place for family and friends. Here are some ideas to make it feel inviting. Open shelving. Use open shelves to display beautiful dishware or cookbooks. This adds character while making items easily accessible. Warm lighting. Install pendant lights above islands or dining areas to create a warm glow during meals. Colorful accents. Use colorful kitchen accessories like dish towels, utensils, or small appliances to add personality without overwhelming the space. Comfortable seating. If space allows, include bar stools or a small breakfast nook with cushions for comfort during meals or casual gatherings. Functional layout. Ensure that the kitchen layout promotes ease of movement between cooking areas, prep stations, and dining spaces. 3. Bedroom. The bedroom should be a serene retreat where relaxation is prioritized. Here are some decor ideas. Soft textiles. Use soft bedding materials like cotton or linen in soothing colors to create a cozy atmosphere. Mood lighting. Incorporate bedside lamps with soft bulbs for reading without harsh lighting. Consider adding fairy lights for a magical touch. Personal decor. Display meaningful items such as books or art that resonate with you on shelves or nightstands. Layered bedding. Use layers of blankets and throws for added texture and warmth on the bed. Calming colors. Choose calming colors like soft blues or greens for walls to promote relaxation. 4. Dining room. The dining room is where meals are shared, so creating an inviting atmosphere is essential. Large dining table. Invest in a sturdy dining table that can accommodate family gatherings or dinner parties comfortably. Statement lighting. Hang an eye-catching chandelier or pendant light above the table to create a focal point. Table settings. Use decorative table runners, placemats, and centerpieces that reflect your style for added charm during meals. Comfortable chairs. Choose dining chairs that are comfortable for long meals. Upholstered options can add warmth. Artwork display. Hang artwork or mirrors on walls to enhance the ambience without overwhelming the space. 5. Home office. A home office should be functional yet inviting to promote productivity. Ergonomic furniture. Invest in an ergonomic chair and desk that promote comfort during long working hours. Inspiring decor. Add motivational quotes or artwork that inspires creativity on your walls. Organizational solutions. Use stylish storage solutions like baskets or decorative boxes to keep clutter at bay while maintaining aesthetics. Natural light. Position your desk near windows to take advantage of natural light. Use sheer curtains for privacy without sacrificing brightness. Personal touches. Incorporate personal items like photos or souvenirs that make you feel at home while working. Conclusion. An interior designer plays an essential role in creating living spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also welcoming and functional. By understanding the principles of design, such as color psychology, comfort, lighting, personal touches, natural elements, functional layouts, textural variety, and decluttering, designers can transform any space into an inviting haven. Through thoughtful decor ideas tailored to each area of the home, be it the living room, kitchen, bedroom, dining room, or home office, interior designers help clients create atmospheres that reflect their personalities while providing comfort and warmth. Ultimately, the goal is to curate spaces where individuals feel at ease, inspired, and connected with those around them. As trends evolve and personal styles shift, interior designers remain adept at adapting their approach to ensure every living space remains welcoming and reflective of its inhabitants' unique stories. Dear viewers, there you have them. Do you like today's content? If you do, please tell us what you like about them. Share us your thoughts in the comments section. And please consider subscribing the channel if you haven't already. And like and share this video to your friends and family so that it could reach wider audience. We will show you furniture design and decor ideas that will make you inspired and enjoy uniquely transform your living spaces or office. Thank you for watching the video until the end. See you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.